What is up, Midway Mayhem fans? This is Dan, and we are checking back in from Busch Gardens Tampa today for an RMC Gwazi construction update and to see if anything else is going on inside the park. Let's go! Before we even get into the park, we have to see what's going on over here at the Nairobi Gate, and there's signage for Howl-O-Scream, Insomnia, Patience Revenge, Simon Slaughterhouse, Motel Shelburne Infestation, Fiends Returns, The Residents, The Black Spot, Bloodshed, Scare Zones, and Deathwater Bayou, Wrath of the Queen. So yes, Howl-O-Scream is coming up. Hopefully you guys will attend because it's going to be a good year. One important thing to remember, if you are a pass member, like me, come over to these kiosks and they have some cool things going on right now. Pass member options, scan our pass, hopefully it scans right away. Alright, so once your pass scans, you can see right here, print my pass, guest tickets and rewards, purchase discounts and not eligible. But this right here, guest tickets and rewards, and we can see there is 10 Busch Bucks. So yes, you can get that right now because of pass holder appreciation. They also have them for SeaWorld as well. You also get a free sampling here at Beer Fest. Today is the last day, so we're going to get one of those. You can also see the SeaWorld Bucks right there, redeemable through September 30th. There is a one single free sample of Beer Fest also right there. And a single day ticket to Aquatica and Adventure Island. So lots of great pass member stuff going on right now. If you have the passes available for SeaWorld and Busch Gardens, great time. So definitely pick up those passes. We're going to do a couple things right now. No wait to get through security or through the front entrance, and we are on our way. Again, it's the last weekend for Beer Fest. Thrills on tap. Today is the last day, Sunday. Park doesn't seem too busy. And I've got a whole bunch of hole punches to do for food and beer. This could be really good or really bad. We'll find out.
Caesar, she just said ice cream. That's why we the two time together.
Well, check this out. We now have some scaffolding up around the station area, and more specifically, they are working on the thatch area as it's coming down, and they're going to be replacing it. We can also see some of that new wood structure rising up above the station there for what we believe is going to be a wave turn. And here's a closer view of all that work going on with the thatch. Again, the station really is going to look different. Same with over here in the queue. And here we are at the main entrance. We can see a lift right there with all the thatch removed. Again, it's coming back very soon. It's going to look really great. Alright, I know we've already showed this plenty of times before, but there's something I want to point out with this. So where we are in terms of construction, so that big hill that's been looking really kind of ominous, well, that's this leading up there. And very soon we're going to have this down drop barrel roll, whatever you want to call it, coming up, and then the lift hill structure will go over that. So yeah, they're working on that segment though right about now. Again, today is the last day for Beer Fest. I've really enjoyed the event. They have tons of great beers and food. I'm going to enjoy some more today. Pink chickens! Yes, gotta love the pink chickens.
Take it on back, take it down,
Alright, so now we're over here by Sesame Street and we can see some work for a scare zone. But where? With spiders, spider webs right there, some barricades. But as of right now, there's not a whole lot in this area set up. Normally we have a bungee scare actor stage right there, but it's not there just yet. Around the area we have some boards up, another one, a door right there, another one over here off to the side. So yeah, there's a lot of doors. See, another one there, and another one there. So yeah, doors everywhere. Well, a little bit of good news in regards to Lorry Landing. The pathways right here and over there are back open, but Lorry Landing itself, not in operation just yet, as they're still doing some stuff. As we can see the sign out front right there, please excuse the inconvenience, this area is closed today. And inside the area we can still see ladders, tarps up around, but looks about to be the same as last time. Oh yes, time now for a ride on Chico so we can get an awesome aerial view of all that's going on with RMC Gwazi.
Ladies, Flume por tiempo y les sugerimos que se mantengan en la línea. Una vez más, les sugerimos que se mantengan en la línea. Gracias.
More good news from the park, guys. We have Stanley Falls Flume back in operation. It was down for some annual maintenance. It's back up. Howl-O-Scream tents are up over here in Pantopia, right next to the theater, and we can see they're getting ready. And then over in this area, we have the Phoenix. Still closed, still has work walls up. Don't know when it's going to be reopening. In other news, the carousel is down right now. It's getting a little bit of a refurb. It'll be back soon though. And as you guys already know, when we get over to Falcon's Fury, it is time to use it as an observation tower for RMC Gwazi. Let's go do that.
Nice.
Alright, time now for another aerial view from Scott Ride.
Shirt and shoes are
Well guys, that's going to do it for our video update here from Busch Gardens Tampa for yet another RMC Gwazi construction update. As we saw, a bunch of new track has been placed onto the structure and ledgers are all over the place. Again, this coming Thursday, we will get the official announcement from the park and we're going to be doing a hard hat construction tour. Of course, we were here for the last day at Beer Fest, truly enjoyed it, and I hope it comes back next year. Of course, we're going to have more updates from here, so if you like what we do, follow us on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter at Midway Mayhem, and I will see you out on the Midway.